Yeah, 250 for a big ass. I'm not kidding you.
The guy I work with goes to Vegas
The cost of living in Vegas is low.
The guy I work with bought in Vegas and he flies in every weekend.
Yeah, you might as well because
he's got a fucking, he gets lost.
Check out this monkey. Ruthless TV back in effect, baby.
6 bedrooms, a full-on pool with barbecue deck.
any of those houses that went foreclosed or anything like that, you can get a brand new giant one out there for $250 at the most. It's retarded. You can get a brand new house for $140. It's gonna be a track home, but it's brand new everything. So if you don't care about having a big yard and stuff, $140.
No, I need the yard though. I was looking for the yard.
You get a big place out there, 200 grand, and you can have
10 acres. I need like
you must have some stuff, you know, about within 10 miles that you can get a lot of property, like 5 acres and stuff.
Yeah.
Quit monkeying around. You know, Ruthless TV, baby. You monkeying around, pimp. Look at the monkey.
By the lake, by the Hoover Dam, they have.
That's a real monkey.
Back in those back roads, they have acres upon acres of just open.
How far is that from the strip?
What is
half hour?
The lake?
Half hour, 45?
45 minutes?
Yeah, the lake is like 30 minutes away.
Yeah, so you get on the freeway.
The lake is freshwater?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
How big is it? No water skiing, right?
There is people that water ski out
Some
there. I don't know.
Some people do. As it rains more, so probably during the summer, yeah. Because I know a bunch of people that take their boats out.
I've been out there.
I know people that take their boats out all the time though.
That's a monkey,
but because we were looking
that's a monkey, my nigga.
What was that? A 2-bedroom
Look
house
at him
that was
up
on
close.
the lake for $75,000
on the lake.
2-bedroom, 2 bath, 2 acres or 3 acres.
No way.
Yeah.
Get a load of this. Ruthless TV6one8.
Yeah.
Back.
Vegas is just cheap.
Back.
How far is that from the strip?
30 minutes.
I kick it with the monkey and I dab, pimp. The monkey dabbing, man. I'm dabbing with the monkey on Christmas Eve, dirty.
Yeah, but you still no east, southeast. Because remember, you have to go east through Henderson, and then that's still the same direction that we have to go to LA.
I seriously was a block away from where that lady fucking ran over the thing.
Oh, yeah.
I walked up to my hotel, I walk out and there's police cars everywhere. She ran over 30 people.
That's a monkey.
Yeah.
That's a real live monkey,
I was
pimp.
about,
One person died, 7.
no, 30 something injured.
Yeah, 30 something injured.
What was she on?